Good day, everyone. I am Angel M. Nuneza, and today I will discuss to you my assignment 6, number 1. The given is find two numbers whose sum 120 and whose product is a maximum. First, define the variable. So, let x be one of the positive numbers and let y be the other positive. Since their sum is given as 120, then x plus y is equals to 120. From this, we need to express y in terms of x. So, y is equals to 120 minus x. The second is, define the product maximum. The product is p of the two number s. So, p is equals x multiplied by y. So, substituting y is equals to 120 minus x is equals to p equals multiplied by 120 minus x is equals to p is equals to 120 x minus x squared. For the next is find the first derivative. So, p is equals to 120x minus x squared is equals to p prime equals 120x minus 2x. The third is set the first derivative is equal to 0. P prime is equals to 120x. 120 minus 2x is equals to 0. Minus 2x is equals to negative 120. Divide both sides to negative to x is equal to positive 60 since x is equals to 60. To confirm that x is equals to 60 gives a maximum, take the second derivative of p. So, p prime is equals to 120 minus 2x. P prime is equals to 2. P prime less than 0 is equals to x is equals to 60. Y is equals to 120 minus x. Y is equals 120 minus x. So, y is equals to 60. So, the final answer is, hence, the two numbers are 60 and 60. And that's all. Thank you.